Hey guys, kindly prepare yourself because in this video I'm gonna show you a mind-blowing giveaway for you to leverage and make money online from writing articles. And this giveaway is about over 100 key PLR articles in over 1500 niches and topics to make the best of them to make money online from these PLR articles. And to be more clear, I just gathered PLR articles from premium websites and they are about over 400 key PLR articles in over 1500 niches and topics and fields, and just I grouped them in 4 packs as you see. So here's the deal for you. I'm gonna give you the first pack completely for free that contains over 100 key PLR articles. Thus, if you are like them and if you're interested to invest more and to get other 300 key PLR articles, you can just purchase them just for $4. And for sure you can take that as a support for me in order to share with you different resources and many amazing guides. And for sure you can find many other bonuses attached to your purchase. So here I will give you the first pack that contains over 100 PLR articles in many niches completely for free without any cost at you at all. And if you are interested more, you can get all these 400 key PLR articles just for $4. And now let me show you a sample of these PLR articles in the first pack that you can get for free. Then here you can find your free pack ready to be opened. So let's open up. Afterward, here you can find your pack contains many of these folders and files about many niches and topics, as I said earlier. Here you can find various of these topics and niches many people are interested in, like the American history, antivirus, cancer, autism, background, child care, bathroom, kitchen, blogs, affiliate marketing, cats, as you see, child, Christian ones, and many of these beautiful fields and topics. And for every single folder you can find many of these PLR articles related to this topic. So for example, if I select one of them like agriculture, you can find a bunch of these PLR articles as you observe. And for sure, you can make money online of these PLR articles in many ways. I'm gonna show you how you can do that shortly in this video. So if we explore one of these PLR articles, so we can take this one for example, the beginnings of agriculture. Here you can find a beautiful article as you see. And for sure, it's not much longer as you see, but you can take this PLR as a seed PLR articles to make the best of in many different ways. So here you can find these articles are about 500 or 1000 according to this topic and this niche. So you can find many of these articles are in 700 or 800 words, and the others you can find over 1000 and much more. But here this article is PLR, so it's recommended for you to customize it a little bit on your own. Just you can expand it more in ChatGPT or any other AI tools and rewrite it and rephrase it as you like to make newer versions of this article. So for sure you can take this article for example that talks about the beginnings of agriculture. So all you need to do just you can copy the whole seed PL article and head over to ChatGPT to ask for expand or to turn this text or this small article to be more with paragraphs, more ideas and so on, to be more elegant and to be more professional. And for sure, I just recommend for you to use this amazing website, and that is spinrewriter.com, to rewrite these articles in bulks or one by one to make beautiful and new version of these articles and more unique. Anyway, here you can get all these articles I said earlier for free regarding many of these niches and these topics as you see. So if you head over to this one like anxiety, so here you can find a huge amount of these relevant articles as you observe. Now let's move on to how you can make the best of this huge amounts of these PLR articles that are about 400 key PLR articles. Now the first way to make money online from these PLR articles after customization it a little bit and modification, and the first one is you can feed up your website and your niche website. So here you can find different folders like for goal for antivirus, anger management, time management, and so on. So here, if your website is about this specific niche, here you have many of these done for you and ready articles that you can publish them directly to your website to fill up quickly with highly demanded and valuable resources and blog posts with different aspects, with different ideas that are very important for people who are interested in this specific niche. So you've got to rewrite and rephrase these articles and make it longer a little bit, and then publish the new ones in your website as you like. And the next way to make money from these PLR articles, that is, you can sell them as PLR as they are as digital products. So for sure, you can sell these digital products everywhere in different digital products platforms like Creative Fabrica, Etsy.com, and for sure you can organize them in different folders, so you can sell your folders that are about different niches and topics, like for autism, for gardening, and so on, just for $5, $10 as you want. You can make them more beautiful and more SEO optimized as you want and sell them as highly valuable and elegant PLR articles for many users. So you can sell them as digital products. And the third way, just you can provide this gig to provide some articles to many users in freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and so on. And the next way to make money from these PLR articles is just by selling them to websites and get paid for your articles. Unfortunately, you can find these websites pay you many dollars, up to $300 per one article. Unfortunately, you can find this amazing list for realistic websites that pay you for your writing articles. You can find this list down below in the description box in the first comment. And the next way to make money from these articles is that you can give them as guides and as many forms of digital products like guides, checklist, cheat sheets, and so on. You can repurpose these articles to different forms as digital products as well. And the next method, just you can use these amazing articles as a giveaway and freebies to build your email list. And the next way to use all these PLR articles, just you can turn these amazing PLR articles into beautiful videos, social media, or YouTube alike. So here you can repurpose these PLR articles and you can take all these PLR articles as a script to make your videos and your channel on YouTube or your social media account on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and so on and so forth. And the next way to make money from these articles is by making and building a book regarding this topic and this niche. So for example, here if you go to this folder, just I opened up this art marketing. Here you can make a beautiful ebook. It contains these chapters and these topics as you see. So you can turn any folder as it is into an ebook regarding this topic in particular. For baby shower, PPs, back pain, basketballs, and beauty, and so on and so forth, like biking, for example. Here you can make your ebooks regarding this amazing interest by gathering all these PLR articles into one ebook. You can sell it as a digital product or in Kindle Amazon. And the next way to make money online from these amazing PLR articles is by using these PLR articles in affiliate marketing in a way or another. And you can publish these articles in different websites like medium.com and so on, including different related affiliate links to this topic. And the next way to make money from these articles is by making membership site. So here you can make your audience get to your library that contains huge amounts of these PLR articles just for a subscription fee. It could be $3, $5 as you like. You can get the first pack completely for free with $0. And if you want a more investment and get all these packs to your device immediately, just you can purchase all these packs just for $4. By the end of the video, thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, you can leave us in the comment section. See you in the next video.